dare you do this. Step on that crack and break your mama's back. Okay. Esther, your readings are, your mama broke her back. And then just pretend be sad. It's okay. At least you don't get your back.